Hi people, how are you today? Show you how to use this online editor. I do news publishing, so if you want to make it look like you haven't got the original photo, so you go to YouTube and just take one frame from YouTube like that. I want to put Donald Trump and Kim Jong in this photo. Okay, so that's the photo. It's in Singapore. Let's go to it. So what we're going to do, we're going to pick these two characters, these two very popular at the moment in media. So go to cutout, go to next, go to your computer, and that's the photo I want there. So there's the photo. He's got his hand out. That's what I was looking for. A photo with his hand out. So we just click on that. And just make sure you always click on it. Don't just drag, just pull it, because I'll show you why at the end. Because you need to adjust those lines. This is a bit like Photoshop and how this is done. So just go around. Like that. Whoops. Just undo that bit. So you can undo that if you make a mistake. It's best to try to get it as good as possible at the start. Almost finished. Just keep on clicking. And okay, we're going to Donald's face. The main thing is, and this is the same on Photoshop, can't go outside their body. You got to go inside, because if you get the outside, it'll come out bad. See those little dots there? That's where I clicked each time. So you can see there's a big movement there that I didn't, big spot. So what we got here? Just got to make sure we don't get any of that greening, because that will wreck the. And you can allow to shrink their body, because I'll tell you why you can allow. It doesn't matter if that's not set. You can stretch the picture. It's a matter of making sure you don't get any of the outside of his body. That's the trick. A bit more of his hair there, come in. And I think that's about it. Same thing. Okay, I'm happy with that. See what it looks like. Beautiful. Okay. He's on the grass. Now we've got put Kim in. Cut out. It's up there. No. I need his feet. So there are a couple of things I had to look for if I'm going to see what happens. Okay, so he's coming out small and Donald coming out large. That was strange. So there you go. We've got Donald Trump and Kim Jong. What you can do, you can flip it. So now let's make him fatter. We can make him smaller. Cut their feet out, save me a lot of editing. Okay. Look at that, we're going to match the hand up. So, we can make Kim's taller so his hands reach. Not sure if he's a shorty or what. So we can make him the same size. I think Donald needs to, because Donald's a big bloke, I must admit. Oh, his hand's coming out clearer now too. What do you reckon, folks? Yeah. Make Donald a bit bigger. Because Trump is a big bloke, no doubt about that. I want him to be bigger than Kim. So where's the hands now? Back again. Okay, so that's okay. That's a good joint. Looks like a pinch shake. I'm happy with that. So that's it. That's how you do it. So now all you do is save it and done. Just give it a name. Trump and Kim. I've got the Pro version, which I get high quality. Highly recommend it. It's what, $38 Australian dollars, like, compared to what, $600 for Photoshop. Go high, but pay the $38. I'll leave a link down below and click on it. Pay the $38 because you want high quality stuff if you're a blogger. And look what you can do. You can put people in other countries if you have got the photo, and you don't have to travel there. Save it. Save. Saves the piece app too. Yep. That's it, folks. That's how you do some online editing. And I hope I've helped you. Bye now.